the star of the back half. Bringing out Murphy. Receives Murphy. Forward field with no eye. Gets the easy kick Murphy. Bianco. Now hits the former dog himself. Take ball around here. Noble. Goes sideways to Murphy for the bailout kick that he wants. To take that ball to the ground. Elliott in front line. I wonder if this didn't go down the line. Well, he comes in ball and he brings it into the corridor basically, which teams should get to do in the past. The turnover zone there. Trying to take the game on Noble. Bridges. Alton picks it off. We've got some running support here. Beautiful ball from Alton Payne to Trelaw. Touch ball, Morley will come at this. Gives it quickly to Chris Jones. Gets it back. Gets it back. Blackmore's in support for him. Daniel. Alton Payne squeezes it. He's got the love. Good pick up. Got Ronnie West behind. And Roberts too. That's number 60% mark for the night.
Jing, kapan libur? Anjing. Banyak libur. Aku lagi, aduh, jatuh ya. Aku lagi tanggal 12 aku mau pulang ke Nusa, jadi nggak bisa libur.
He's working away from the football. He's giving him so many opportunities to follow the ball. He's always kept on the ribbon for incredible stuff. For big takeoff, Pompey, as I said, very prominent here early in the second half. The little kid from Daniel McRae, precise kick running away to Bailey Smith. Little Hayden offering multiple leads here to change the direction. More necessarily happy. So let's say this. Young guys around the place, Mercedes thinking about stopping too much here. This is this cover now. This is
Itu kan. Banting dudukan.
Still waiting for that one more possession. English, John comes to himself. What he is supposed to be doing, it just feels that way. It just seems to have lost a lot of confidence and this run, which is, it's like massive early, just not quite getting the way up that way. And just, I don't know when they're using the kick. As soon as he kicked it in, Joe, he knew it was good. He's had such a consistent year. They're not in the scoreboard tonight, but if you look through our genuine wingers, we're talking about all Australian form. This is the bloke who actually won the win. First disposal, second throw, contest possession. He's in the top two. All those just got nerves in top 50s. I think such a consistent
Kurang ajar.
Oh. Good mark.
나 당황해서 왜들
Dwayne Richards goes down back. It was a pinpoint early in the game. Still that advance up the game. Go progressing through the middle, trying to open up the field. Nick Jacobs has kicked his second goal with an absolute brilliant goal. Dancing in the aisles in celebration of that one.
Mister already
Beautiful connection. Didn't look like he missed it. Absolutely sweet in the middle there. I think one player has had more possessions in their first 40 games in this strike. That's Greg Williams. So he's in there. It's that company. You better knows it.
Whoa.
oh
It's a mountain.
The midfielder, such extremely low numbers to work again.
Yes. Yes, yes.
This went only been able to break away from it. Just one players in space. Send ball.
Oh,
panas
yeah, but yum.
4-2 in the 1950s. This is so hard. It's not first day boss. In the long handle forward. Going some full range, two options. First is too big, too strong. Read the play, read the ball. Coming at place through the corner. It's a nightmare for a defence. Right, goal, right, corner. Put that place. Deliver out of the middle of the ball. Noble. George Strait pass. They send me everywhere today. And they're going everywhere. There's Nick and half back. Just watching next to the ball going. Here's the landing side. And there's the little ball that covers really half back with. There's the middle to turn over Norton. And more defender. Well done, Darcy Ward. It was 15 minutes. 7 minutes at play. Jackson's having 10. Cook Darcy might have a record earlier this year, but took one off him. Hill, Cameron,